This video is all about creating that text behind object effect you see in tons of professional videos. Whether you want to highlight a person, showcase a product, or just add some creative flair to your videos, this technique is a game changer. And mind it, I guarantee that after watching this video, you will not be required to watch any other video regarding how to add text behind objects in Filmora. And during this whole video, there will not be any a single segment that will waste your time. So now let's move on to our Filmora workspace.
So at first, just drag and drop the video to the timeline on which you want to add text behind object effect. And now you'll see that I am going to analyze this whole video and make frequent cuts in the video, and these are cuts made at those points where the background or the object is changing, and this is done to make this effect very clear and crisp, like there would not be any blur on the text or the object, and there would not any text coming in front of the object. So we will see this whole video, and you can see that wherever the background or the object is changing its position, I am just making frequent cuts. So see this carefully, and this is very important for making this effect functioning smoothly. And in the meantime, while I'm making these cuts, you can just let me know from where are you watching this video and what is your name, and if there is any confusion, then do let me in the comment section. And now we'll just move ahead. So with this last cut, all cuts on the video have been done successfully, and now we'll just move on to adding text to our video. Go to titles. We will use this effect, that is Neon Motion VFX title shake up. We'll download it, and now we'll just easily drag and drop this text effect on the upper layer of the video. Remember, the layering of the video should be done very carefully because this is what makes all the difference. So do it very carefully. And now the most important part of the text behind object effect is adjusting the text according to the video objects behind which you are putting the text. So just watch this video very carefully, like how I am adjusting the text, how I am styling, coloring those text, like shadowing, scaling of the text, like their position and other things. So watch this video very carefully, watch all the steps very carefully, like what opacity I am using, what shadow effects, background effects, thickness, blur, opacity and other things. Other important aspect of placing the text on the video is that whatever text you are placing in front of the object, it should be large enough that at least 3/4 of the text should be visible from behind the object, and that text should be placed at such a position that 3/4 of the text area should be visible whenever that text goes behind the object, so that the viewers can predict what the exact text is being written there or what the exact text placed behind the object. So take care of this thing very carefully. So finally all the video cuts have been made, all the text adjustments have been made. From here we begin the final process of placing the text behind the object. First of all, select and copy all the video clips and paste all these video clips one layer above the text layer. Note that those videos should be pasted one layer above the text layer. Take a note on one thing insiders, that I will give you two methods of using this effect. Effect number one is very accurate, precise, and its result is very excellent. But the disadvantage is it is a bit complex and takes some time. And the other method is very fast, but the thing is that it may not be that much accurate and precise as the method one. So I will show you both the methods. It's up to you which method to use.
Double click on the topmost video layer. Now go to AI tools and select Smart Cutout Action and click here. Now select the object behind which you wish to put the object. Click here and select Toggle Transparency Grid, and now you can further scribble the areas which have not been selected very easily. Now go to the Advanced mode and click here. This will analyze the object thoroughly in the whole video clip and will cut it out accordingly for your convenience. And now the video is ready to be exported out.
First of all, double click on the topmost video layer and now go to AI tools. From here select AI portrait cutout. Now from here you can select advanced cutout mode as well as quick cutout mode. Whatever you select, it will automatically cut your object. Like in some of the cases when the object is too much complex, this may not work perfectly, so you can in that case use the method number one. And however, if the object cutting is very easy, like background is not too much chaotic, then you can always use this method. This is very fast. So now you can see it has been applied. Thanks for watching this video.